In the grand tapestry of existence, there is a thread that connects us all. An unseen force, a cosmic energy that binds every atom, every star, every heart. This is the energy of the universe, the same energy that fuels remote healing. Today we're exploring this fascinating journey, one that transcends physical boundaries and taps into the profound depth of human connection. Imagine, if you will, a tranquil lake. The water is calm, the air is still. This is your mind, your spirit, your being. It's here where the process of remote healing begins. The first step is to cultivate a deep sense of relaxation. Release the tension in your muscles, let go of the worries of the day. Breathe in, breathe out, feel the rhythm of your heart, the steady drumbeat of life. Next, it's time to focus your intent. Healing energy is directed by intention. Think of someone you wish to help. See them in your mind's eye, feel their presence in your heart. Now visualize a brilliant light, a sphere of radiant energy. This is your healing energy, a manifestation of your goodwill, your love, your desire to help. Picture this light growing brighter, becoming more powerful with each passing moment. Then imagine this light traveling across the vast expanse of space and time, reaching out to the person you wish to heal. See it envelop them, bathing them in its warm, healing glow. Finally, trust in the process. The universe is an intricate dance of energy, a symphony of interconnectedness. Your healing light is a part of this dance, this symphony. Believe in its power, trust in its ability to reach out and touch the ones you love. In summary, remote healing is a process that begins with relaxation, moves through intention and visualization, and ends with trust. It's a journey that allows us to tap into the universal energy that binds us all, to reach out and touch the lives of others, no matter how far they may be. The benefits of this process are manifold. It fosters a deep sense of connection, a realization of our shared humanity. It promotes emotional well-being, reduces stress, and fosters a sense of peace and tranquility. But perhaps the greatest benefit is the realization that we are not alone, that we are all connected, that we are all part of the same cosmic dance. And in this dance, we have the power to heal, to help, to make a difference. So embrace this power, trust in the process, and let your healing light shine. In the grand scheme of things, we are but tiny specks in the vast expanse of the universe. But within us, within our hearts, within our spirits, we hold the power to change lives, to heal, to bring about positive change. This is the power of remote healing. This is the power within you.